from Bang Sue Station here in Bangkok. So we're heading to Tok Sai Yok Noi. I have been there twice before. It's probably my favorite train trip I've ever done. It's really, really pretty. I can't wait to go back. Very beautiful. Shame that I was very worried that I was at the wrong station because the train doesn't usually depart from here, but I specifically chose this station so that we didn't have to travel super south just to get on the train to go north. I just told the train guy, this is definitely my departure station. Thank you for checking. I promised the views were really good, the windows are just very dirty. Here we are at stop number 1 in Nakhon Pathom province. You can see a giant temple straight ahead, and we did not go all the way there, but you can. It's really nice. We just crossed the bridge, actually just stood in the middle, looked at the water, and then walked back to the train. I got mango sticky rice. Here is stop number 2 at River Kwai Bridge Station. I don't think they like crowds very much because the crowd is on the bridge, which is what everyone came to see. They're behind a tree. Ooh. This is wise men say. That's good. Wise men say. Pepsi Max met die brug in die agtergrond, not me in the background. The photo was to send home to show that they can get Pepsi Max here. They actually wanted Coke Zero though, they just couldn't find it. I got the Coke Zero they were looking for. Being outdoors is beautiful, but being outdoors is hot. So, do you want to live outdoors? No. Third time at this station. Actually more than 3 times at the station. Third time on this train. I love this train. After a very quick stop for some drinks and to take some photos on the bridge, we are back on the train, heading towards our final destination at the waterfall. It's a very long trip. We took turns sleeping, even me. This is one of my favorite parts of the trip, is when we start crossing the river. They were not super impressed. They looked. I was right up against the glass. I love it, and I love that people stare at us while we stare at them. It seems ironic that we're all there to stare at other people, and the view, of course. We finally made it to the waterfall, but first we had to cross the road to get to 7-Eleven. Just before we crossed the road, the police asked us to pose for a photo with a poster that said, "Do not drink on voting day." So that was interesting. Here it is, Tok Sai Yok Noi. So Tok means waterfall, and I really like this waterfall. It's quite slippery though. Very nice to see, very nice to explore, but you gotta be careful.
all be there or
That wasn't here, that was over there. We were hoping that lady would move, but she sat there the whole time. That's okay, we went in the back of the cave and out the side. Made it a little bit more difficult, but it was still cool to explore. After all this exploring, we had some lunch and then we headed back on the train. That's basically it. Thanks for coming along. See you in the next video.
Ta-da!